Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming power and network so the voice system has connectivity. Turn on the TV, connect to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and open the Thomson Voice app or built-in voice menu. Once done, sign into your Thomson account to sync preferences and permissions. Next, enable microphone access in settings and pair the voice remote if it's separate. This step ensures the assistant can hear you and access online features. Make sure to accept any permission prompts so speech processing is allowed. Now you configure how the assistant responds and what it controls. Choose your preferred language and adjust microphone sensitivity so commands register reliably in your room. Pick a wake word or button activation. Then link streaming and smart home services like Netflix, Prime, YouTube, and compatible lights so voice commands can open apps or control devices. Once linked, set privacy options, voice history, data sharing, and quick shortcuts, because these govern what the assistant learns and how fast it executes repeated tasks. You're ready to use voice? Start with clear, simple commands like open Netflix, volume 30, or play YouTube cooking. Speak naturally and pause after the wake word so recognition is accurate. If responses are slow or incorrect, make sure the TV firmware and voice app are updated and the TV's internet is stable. Once done, reboot the TV and repair the remote if issues persist. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the assistant cannot hear you, reset microphone permissions and recalibrate sensitivity before factory resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.